Yeah, very good morning to all. This session we can discuss about additive manufacturing process. In general, how the 3D components can produce. The one is subtractive. It seems the material will be removed layer by layer. Another one is the formative. The formative is the metal was formed by force. The third one is additive manufacturing. That is, we add layer by layer. So in subtractive, the metal may be removed by milling, turning, drilling, planing, and others so on. In formative, bending, forging, plastic injection molding, and so on. In additive, is like a kids, how the kids are playing. We add one over another and finally get it. So additive manufacturing is a process of making 3D solid object of virtually any shape from digital model. So the different materials used in additive manufacturing, so polymers, it may be thermoplastic, resins, wax, slurries and gels, metals, ceramics, biological materials also. So what are the different applications of additive manufacturing? It may be pleasant, plenty of applications are there, even dental, uh, medical applications and aerospace and other also. Why we go for additive manufacturing? If the component have functional complexity, geometric complexity, cost sensitive, the multi-material parts, time to market, frequency of design changes and customization, then he can go for additive manufacturing. What are the different additive manufacturing process? There are plenty of are there. One is the fuse deposition molding. So additive manufacturing process machines by the process and additive manufacturing materials by material type as shown in the figure. The general consideration on additive manufacturing technologies, the surface finish. If the layer thickness will be less, the surface thickness will be good. So additive versus subtractive. Either additive is the 100% replacement for subtractive. No, it not. The AM technology or instead of complementary for very complex or intricate geometric form, simultaneous fabrication of multiple parts into a single assembly, multiple materials or composite material in the same part. The additive manufacturing process flow as given. The solid modeling, export, support generation, slicing of the model, model physical build-up, cleanup, post-curing, and surface finishing. Okay, the first step is a solid 3D modeling. A 3D model should be generated with any 3D model software. Then convert into the STL format, that is polygon based representation. Then create the support generation. Support generation may depend on object orientation as shown in the figure. If this object will be in vertical, no need of support structure. If the component it is in horizontal position, then we need the support structure. As well as based on the specific additive manufacturing process also. Slicing the model, the component may, the 3D model will be along with the support, it may be sliced by layer. The model, physical model built up, as shown in the figure, the physical model will be printed. So the components after the modeling. Then cleanup, post curing, surface finishing also. So some of the processes need cleanup, that is removal of supporting structure. The post curing is required in some process so far. Finally, surface finishing, by you can remove the unwanted materials in the top surface so far. So within this, these are the steps involved in additive manufacturing process.